Best way to store broccoli, fridge hack revealed. To store broccoli in the fridge, keep it unwashed in a loosely closed or perforated plastic bag in the crisper drawer. Avoid sealing the bag tightly, as broccoli needs air circulation to stay fresh. Store away from ethylene-producing fruits and vegetables like apples, bananas, and pears. Broccoli should be washed just before use to prevent moisture buildup, which can cause it to spoil. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Don't wash it before storing. Excess moisture can lead to mold and spoilage. Loosely wrap it. Use a perforated or loosely closed plastic bag to allow for air circulation. Store it in the crisper drawer. This helps regulate humidity and temperature. Keep it away from ethylene producers. These gases can cause broccoli to ripen and spoil faster. Wash just before use. This prevents moisture from sitting on the broccoli and causing it to degrade.